Oh, Luigi, what a nice day. Yeah, Mario. Toss me the TV remote. Ouch. Alright. Oh, the Cleveland show. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I love that show. It's pretty cool. Mario, I think there's a monster outside. Wait. Oh, that's just my stomach. Luigi, you're so weird. I know. Wait. Yeah, I know I'm weird. Yeah, I can tell. But anyway, I'm getting kind of hungry. What's for breakfast? Luigi, it's 5:30 in the morning. And so it is. So, go make yourself some, because I'm too tired and you want the snack. Fine. Yeah. What should I get for a snack? Let's see once I get out there. Ooh. Everybody's still sleeping. It's like 5:30. Let me go outside. No, just kidding. I'm not going to go outside. That would just be weird. What do we have? Cookies or bread? Nope. I can get a tea. No, I don't want tea. Pop-Tart? Okay, that was actually kind of delicious, but I'm not satisfied yet. Let's see what's in the cupboard. Hallelujah. Oh my god. I'm good. Pringles. Pringles. Yes, I love the Pringles. Cheese. Cheddar cheese flavored popcorn. Oh, that's the best. Ooh, kettle cooked potato chips. I'll take those. Ooh, those are good. Goldfish. Okay, I'll take the goldfish. The pretzel goldfish. The pretzel kind. I love the pretzel kind. What else do we have? Cheez-Its. Okay, I think that's everything. I think that's everything I want. It seems right. So let's go over roll call. Pringles, goldfish, cheddar cheese popcorn, Cape Cod kettle cooked potato chips, and Cheez-Its. Yeah, I think I got everything. Now let me grab this. Now let me just grab this and this, and now we go back. But I have to go back and grab the others. Hey Mario, Luigi, what's going? Ouch, Luigi, whatever you just did is painful, and you dropped Pringles. Oh, sorry, Mario. Here you go. Ouch. Well, anyway, Mario, I'll be back with more. More? Yep, you heard me. More snacks. Okay. Cheese cod chips and Cheez-Its. There we go. Mario, I got more. Ow! Luigi! Mario? Mario? Oh, there you are. Luigi, why'd you get all these snacks? So we can enjoy and have quality time together and watch Cleveland show. Oh, that's actually very nice, but come on, just try it. Okay. 5 minutes later. Oh, Luigi, these chips are really good. I know, especially these pretzels. Aw, Cleveland show's going on. Well, anyway, now it is 5:30. Almost, anyway. Yeah. Oh, Mario, have you tried that popcorn? No, I haven't. Oh, that's actually pretty good. I love cheddar popcorn. Ooh, Luigi, I'm gonna have a Cheez-It or a few. Oh, excuse me. That's very rude. I shouldn't be doing that in like the second video. Yeah, that's true, Mario. Wait, there's a security camera? Stop spying on us! The end.